Hi, I'll be showing you how to automate your file uploads with Scandium, how to set up notifications, and how to integrate Slack, Jira, ClickUp, or whatever bug tracking tool you have into Scandium. So first, I want to create a test case where I can upload a file. So I'm just going to input my URL and load the page. All right, so I would click on this choose file button we have here and select my file. Then the next thing I want to do is to use my assertion. I want to assert that the file that was uploaded has the correct name. So I would save this assertion and stop my recording. Once that is done, I want to re-execute this test to double check. I would click on run and allow Scandium to execute the process. All right. So now we're done with this. So in just these few simple steps, this is how you tend to upload your files with Scandium. So once you do that, use the necessary assertions and re-execute your test on and on. Then the next thing to set up my notification. So I would first off save this test. I would save my test. So to set up my notification, I would go ahead and click on settings, and on the right hand side and left hand side of my screen I have notifications. So for my notifications, I have the option to add email. So I'll click on add new email and I will put in the email, and I will add recipient. Ensure to check your enable checkbox and click on save. So I would also do the same for our failure. So the failure is when you have a failing test, you also want to get notified. So I would click on this and enable, ensure to save. So before I proceed, this same procedure applies to when you want to integrate your work tools such as Slack, you want to integrate Jira, your GitHub, and so forth and so on. You just have to enable, click on connect, and follow the procedure until the end. So once this is done, I want to then execute a test so we can see the notification. So I would open this test and I'm going to execute my test, run it remotely. Now my test is done running. So to be sure that I got my notification, like I said, I will go to my email and this is the notification I have, which is just now. And the contents of the email, we have it from Scandium and it says that this is the name of our test upload, but the status is failed. So our test failed and it has the time it took to execute that test and also it has a URL. So this URL directs you directly to where your test is on your dashboard. So this is how you get notified when your test run on Scandium.